This is an adventure, guys.
Yeah, really.
Who thought this is how your day would turn? Kind of cute.
Cheeky is what he is.
Who am I talking to? City Police. Okay, this is the blogger here. Okay, I'm at the sex shop. This should be good. Listen, we got a parrot here. There was a parrot that was in the trees on Queen Street this afternoon, about 3 or 4 hours ago. Then I got him from the tree at Alfredson Square. It's somebody's parrot. We got him in a box and everything. What should I do? You get all kinds of calls, huh? This is a new one, huh? Yeah, and I got my video camera on. This should be very good. I bet you will. Yes, I'm sure you will. And it's Sunday. Yeah. Now hold on.
Honestly.
Hey.
Aggressive.
Little bugger.
Oh yeah, he bites too.
Go to sleep. Scared. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's trying to rip his way out now.
Well, he's been free for about 5 hours, maybe more.
Maybe he's like one of the harvest people's pets.
No, I hear there was a guy, somebody told me a guy was driving a motorcycle and used to have this bird on his shoulder.
Huh.
And he just said, "Frig that, I'm out of here." But if somebody is an owner, maybe the cops could put it on Facebook or whatever. But it has to go somewhere.
I want to adopt a bird for right now.
Where, you won't be able to get any supplies.
Yeah.
Is the problem. Like every pet shop's closed until tomorrow.
Trust me, eat anything. It went,
We
right
have
from,
saltine crackers.
it went from my bread, polywater
still
cracker.
need-
Don't feed them bread products.
You also still need a
Polywater.
cage. Right?
Polywater cracker.
Just let him run around the house.
That's what killed the chicken. We let it out and it went around and then it was like, nope, and it just died.
I think his wings are clipped. I really do. Because, like, he'd be beating around and stuff.
Oh, true.
I mean, they got on every week, and the police, missing person. They could put missing parrot,
Missing bird.
missing bird. Oh my God, this is too funny. That's why you never leave home without your camera.
Just trying to think of like
This is funny.
put him in.
It's so small, right? Like,
Harvest and jazz all over. Oh shoot, I was going to take pictures of the sunset. Not tonight. Boy, the cops must have a good laugh. They must be talking about it, five to six cops all together. Thank God the police cameras don't work. That'll be a good one. Beautiful sunset outside, all orange.
I wonder if the dollar store would be open.
No,
Dollar store.
no, nothing
Sunday.
open on Sunday.
you guys are excellent birdie sitters.
What?
You're excellent birdie sitters.
Not really, they do nothing.
I think they just try and let him like chill instead of bugging him.
It's hungry. My God, how long it takes to...
Guys, we just became a family. This is like a movie setup.
Reality show.
Did you see that movie, Three Men and a Baby? Three Men and a Little Lady? I think they're doing another one, actually. Her as an adult, getting married. But, 3 individuals at work.
I don't know what that one's.
What do we call it, that?
How are we doing?
Usually wouldn't have them on call. If they did, it would be a normal lag to call.
The SPCA?
Tell them the SPCA is closed.
Leave a statement on their Facebook page. Oh, they issued one. Okay, no problem. A provincial number, okay. Sure, why not?
Hold on.
Hold on. Why do I get involved in these things? Okay, go ahead.
Remember? Hold on, just write down. Okay.
One 877
Hold on, it's pending.
722 1522. Do you think we'll hit an answering machine? Or? Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
All right.